Hey, it's Chip, Softwash Solution, Armor Wash Products. Today I just finished up building 2 boxes. This is a new build. I've talked to a lot of newer guys in these groups, and it seems to be one of the biggest issues people struggle with is the 12-volt pump, 12-volt chem system, wiring, and so forth. So what I have done is I've actually built and made a plug-and-play power box for a 12-volt system. So you don't have to have any knowledge of the wiring or how it all goes together. This is plug and play. It's got all the armor protection in it with the diodes, the capacitors, relays. It's got everything in it that you need to protect your system. I've got 2 of them built, ready to go. It's got the voltage monitor on the front, which is extremely important. 12-volt systems, they are extremely sensitive to volt loss. So if you start seeing this drop down to 11 to 10, you know you've got a problem somewhere in your wiring. And if you keep going, you could damage your pump. You could melt wires. A lot of things can happen. A 7-gallon-a-minute pump will melt wires and will make a mess. So anyway, you can monitor in real time. When you turn it on, lighted switch, so you know you got power to the box. It's remote control. So when the light's on, your pump's on. This way you won't forget and leave your pump on. You can shut it off. If you're up on a roof someplace, your hose pops a hole somewhere and your pump's going, shut it off. Long range remotes. Basically, this is plug and play. This is real simple. You just mount this however your system is, and it's even marked on the bottom to tell you. This is your pump feed in. The wires from your pump, they go in and they land on this terminal block right here. Your power feed from your battery coming in comes in on this side, and it lands on this terminal block. And that's it. Close the door, turn it on, you got remote control. You can buy this by itself, or I can also include a 7-gallon-a-minute pump, 100 PSI, either or. But like I said, guys, this is the brand new. Nobody's offering this. I got 2 of them ready to go. Plug and play. Put it on a wall, plug in your power, plug in your pump, and you now have a remote control system for your 12-volt chem pump. Properly wired. The biggest thing is your feed wire coming in. I recommend 8-gauge wire coming in. You could get by with 10-gauge if you're less than 10 feet from your battery. But like I said, the longer the run on the wire, you're going to have volt loss. And these systems are extremely sensitive to volt loss. So I would run 8-gauge wire. This is set, so you can run 8-gauge wire into it. Everything is heavy duty inside. And again, you can monitor your voltage. You want to get one of these? Like I said, I got 2 of them ready to go. I've got more stuff on order. Again, this is for your 12-volt chem system. Plug and play. This is really simple. Let me know if you want one.